When it comes to personal conversations with AI chatbots, ChatGPT versus Replika is a big debate. Both promise meaningful interactions, but do they really deliver what users need? I've tested both, and in this video, I'll break down the differences, so by the end, you'll know which is better for your personal chats. Stick around, because I'll also share an alternative that outperforms both of these. Let's start with ChatGPT. Known for its intelligent responses, ChatGPT shines when it comes to factual conversations, explanations, or brainstorming. Its database is huge, and it uses an impressive language model to respond in a detailed and natural way. If you ask it about specific topics, it's reliable and versatile. However, when it comes to emotional depth or personal connection, ChatGPT feels a bit robotic. The conversation may seem forced when it tries to engage on a personal level or provide comfort. Next thing, let's talk about Replika. Replika, on the other hand, is designed with emotional connection in mind. The whole idea behind it is to simulate companionship, which is why people are drawn to it for personal conversations. Replika remembers past interactions, which can make it feel more like a friend over time. You can customize your Replika's personality, which adds a fun, personalized touch. However, it's not without its flaws. While it's good at emotional support, its responses can sometimes be superficial or repetitive. Replika tries to be more personable, but it doesn't always hit the mark with consistency or depth. The third thing we need to consider is the user experience. With ChatGPT, you don't get as much control over the chatbot's personality. It's a generalist, and that's great for wide-ranging conversations, but not ideal for personal or tailored experiences. With Replika, you can adjust its personality to some degree, making it more suited for those who want a chatbot that mimics a particular type of conversation or interaction. Replika does offer a lot more customization in this area, but sometimes they can backfire, making the bot feel more artificial than authentic. The fourth thing, pricing. ChatGPT is free, and even its premium version isn't as expensive as Replika's Pro version. But that's not the full story. While ChatGPT offers great value for its free tier, Replika's subscription model comes with additional features, like better conversation depth and more frequent updates. Still, the question remains, is the price of Replika justified? For some, it might be worth it. For others, they might find that ChatGPT provides enough value without the cost. Lastly, I have to address the most important point. What about the quality of personal conversations? If you're looking for deep, emotionally supportive conversations, Replika may give you the feeling of a more personal connection. But if you're more interested in a generalist AI that can help with brainstorming, problem solving, or simply holding diverse conversations, ChatGPT could be your go-to. Now, both are solid options, but here's the thing, after trying both myself, if your goal is to have better, more engaging personal conversations that feel real and aren't bogged down by repetitive exchanges, I'd recommend a better alternative. It offers a more well-rounded experience, superior to both ChatGPT and Replika when it comes to personal connection. Take advantage of the free trial linked in the description below. It's the best free trial available, with exclusive benefits that you won't get anywhere else. Trust me, this is the chatbot you want to try out.